Hello students, welcome to the class. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss structures and properties of calixarene, rotaxene and cyclodextrine. So let's get started. So first is calixarene. Calixarene are popular and versatile class of macrocycle formed from condensation of para-substituted phenol with formaldehyde. The name calixarene was coined by the scientist David, as they resemble cup-shaped conformation of the smaller calixarene to Greek vase called as calyx, and from the word arene that refers to the aromatic building block. They have hydrophobic cavities that can hold smaller molecules or ions and belongs to the class of cavitants, known in host-guest chemistry. The nomenclature involves counting the number of repeating units in the ring and include it in the name. For example, calyx 4-arene has 4 units in the ring. Similarly, calyx 6-arene has 6 units in the ring. A substituent in the meso position is added to the name with a prefix C, as in capital C methyl calyx in bracket 6-arene. These are characterized by a 3-dimensional basket, cup or bucket shape. In calyx 4-arene, the internal volume is around 10 cubic angstrom. These are characterized by a wider upper rim and a narrow lower rim and a central annulus. With phenol as a starting material, the 4 hydroxyl groups are intra-annular on the lower rim. Calixarene exists in different chemical conformations because rotation around methylene bridge is not difficult. In calyx 4-arene, 4 up-down conformations exist. First is cone shape, second is partial cone shape, third is 1-2 alternate, and fourth is 1-3 alternate. The 4 hydroxyl groups interact by hydrogen bonding and stabilize the cone conformations. Water-soluble calixarene such as para-sulfonto, calyx 4-arene have some considerable applications in drug delivery. Some calixarenes are sodium ionophores and are potentially useful in chemical sensors. They are used in commercial applications as sodium selective electrodes for the measurement of sodium levels in blood. It can also form complexes with cadmium, lead, lanthanides and actinides. Calyx 5-arene and C70 fullerene in paraxylene form a ball and socket supramolecular complex. They also form exocalyx ammonium salts with aliphatic amines such as piperidine. Second is rotaxanes. Rotaxanes are mechanically interlocked molecular architecture consisting of a dumbbell-shaped molecule which is threaded through a macrocycle. The name is derived from the Latin word that is wheel, which is called as rota, and axle, that is axis. The 2 components of a rotaxane are kinetically trapped since the ends of the dumbbell are larger than the internal diameter of the ring and prevents dissociation, that is unthreading of the components, which otherwise requires significant distortion of the covalent bonds. Studies shows that accepted nomenclature is to designate the number of components of the rotaxane in brackets as a prefix. The rotaxane consisting of single dumbbell-shaped axial molecule with a single macrocycle around its shaft is called N-rotaxane. So we can define rotaxane as a supramolecular assemblies consisting of macrocyclic molecules physically threaded but not chemically bonded to a linear molecule chain or a linear subchain of a molecule coped with bulky end groups, that is referred to as stoppers, which prevent the threading of cyclic molecules These are known as rotaxanes. Rotaxane-based molecular machines have been used in molecular electronics as logic molecular switching elements and as molecular shuttles. What are molecular machines? These are an assembly of a discrete number of molecular components designed to perform mechanical-like movements as a consequence of appropriate external stimuli. That is molecular machine. These molecular machines are usually based on the movement of the macrocycle on the dumbbell. The macrocycle can rotate around the axis of the dumbbell like a wheel, an axle, or it can slide along its axis from one side to another. Controlling the position of the macrocycle allows the rotaxane to function as a molecular switch. These rotaxane machines can be manipulated both by chemical and photochemical inputs. Potential application as long as lasting die is based on the enhanced stability of the inner portion of the dumbbell-shaped molecules. So we can say that rotaxane can also find applications in dyeing. Rotaxanes can be used to make amphifiles, then can self-assemble and release dye slowly. Rotaxane also find applications in a nano recording. Rotaxanes can be used to build molecular muscles. Rotaxanes can be used to reduce or enhance reactivity. Rotaxanes can be prepared by using template-directed synthesis like clipping, threading, snapping, and slippage. Third is cyclodextrins. Cyclodextrins are a family of cyclic oligosaccharides consisting of a macrocyclic ring of glucose subunits joined by alpha 1,4-glycosidic bonds. Cyclodextrins are composed of 5 or more alpha-D-glucopyranoside units that is linked with 1 and 4 as in amylose, a fragment of starch. Typical cyclodextrins contain a number of glucose monomers ranging from 6 to 8 units in a ring, creating a cone shape. Consider the following cyclodextrins. First is alpha-cyclodextrin. It is a 6-membered sugar ring molecule. Second is beta-cyclodextrin. It is 7-membered sugar ring molecule. And gamma-cyclodextrin, which is 8-membered sugar ring molecule. Structure of cyclodextrin. The cyclic oligosaccharide consists of alpha 1,4-linked alpha-D-glucopyranose units and contain a somewhat lipophilic central cavity and a hydrophilic outer surface. Due to chair conformation of glucopyranose units, the cyclodextrins are shaped like a truncated cone rather than perfect cylinders. Primary hydroxyl groups are located at the side of a narrow inlet, while secondary hydroxyl groups are found on the reverse side, that is, at the side of a wide inlet. Therefore, no hydroxyl groups exist on the wall, and so the cavity of the cyclodextrin is hydrophobic. Cyclodextrins dissolved in an aqueous phase can accommodate hydrophobic guests such as aromatic hydrocarbons, inorganic ions, and gas molecules in their cavities. Cyclodextrins are hydrophobic inside and hydrophilic outside. They can form complexes with hydrophobic compounds. Thus, they can enhance the solubility and bioavailability of such compounds. In the food industry, cyclodextrins are employed for the preparation of cholesterol-free products. Due to its surface active properties, alpha-cyclodextrins can be used as emulsifying fiber. For example, in mayonnaise as well as in whipping aid, and also in desserts and confectionery applications. Cyclodextrins also have the ability to stabilize volatile or unstable compounds, and the reduction of unwanted taste and odor. Cyclodextrins are also used to produce alcohol powder by encapsulating ethanol. Aqueous cyclodextrin solutions can generate aerosols in particle size ranges suitable for pulmonary deposition. Cyclodextrins are able to form host-guest complexes with hydrophobic molecules. Cyclodextrins can solubilize hydrophobic drugs in pharmaceutical applications and cross-link to form polymers that is used for drug delivery. The ability of forming complexes with hydrophobic molecules has led to their usage in supramolecular chemistry. In particular, they have been used to synthesize certain mechanically interlocked molecular architectures such as rotaxanes and catenins by reacting the ends of the threaded guest. The application of cyclodextrin as supramolecular carrier is also possible in organometallic reactions. Beta-cyclodextrins are used to produce HPLC columns allowing chiral enantiomer separation. And they are also found as a main ingredient in PNG product, which claims that the beta-cyclodextrin trap the odor causing compounds, thereby reducing the odor. So students, in this lecture, we have discussed the structures and properties of calixarene, rotaxane and cyclodextrin.